mean, did you see this? This is magnetic. It's like a fancy ass lipstick, but it's a lip balm. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Casey and I like to talk about fitness and beauty and a few things in between. So if that sounds like your jam, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching. I received my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the mail this morning, so I am here to share what I received with you. I have already gone through and opened everything, taking everything out of the boxes and bags just to save us time. However, there is one mess up with my bag and I'm a little bit upset about it. I'm a little disappointed. I may contact Ipsy to see if they'll correct it. They should. There's been once or twice before in like the 5 or 6 years that I've been subscribed to Ipsy where something like this has happened and they've always corrected it, so we'll see what happens, but I will get to that later. So I normally subscribe to both the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. However, this month I opted out of the smaller bag just because with Christmas being here and I did purchase some new makeup for myself, it just kind of gets to be a lot. But just to inform you, I only have one bag to show you this month. One last thing that I did want to say, more so ask for your opinion on before we get started with the bag here. My previous Ipsy unboxings, I've done it where I've had the camera hoisted above me and I've just been showing you the products and explaining the products as I unbag them. And then today I just decided to put myself on camera and show you the products face to face. So I would just like to know which format you like better. I feel like with the Ipsy unboxings, I want you to see the products. And so that's why I did it where the camera's hovering above and you're just seeing the products instead of me. But just give me your feedback. Which format do you prefer to watch? Let me know. And if you are unaware, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products. And a few months ago, Ipsy rolled out a feature where you are able to select 3 of your full-size products. And ever since they rolled that feature out, I have been subscribed to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and I've really been enjoying that. I don't know if it's just the excitement of being able to pick your own items and it's kind of like shopping. But I just have been really pleased with the products that I've received and can plan to continue with the Glam Bag Plus. I've been liking it more than the regular Glam Bag, which I didn't think that I would say because the Glam Bag rocks. So, okay, so let's get into the January 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This month, their theme is Dream It, and it says New Month, New Year. Phew. And the sky is the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. And I am disappointed because yet again there is no product descriptions or prices in here. I talked about this last month. They do include that with the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, but I don't know why they don't do it with the Glam Bag Plus. I don't know if it's too difficult to print because everyone is, you know, everyone's box probably looks different depending on what they choose. So maybe it's just too much to print the cards for the Glam Bag Plus. I don't know. I do miss it, but I did go ahead and write everything out myself, planned ahead, so I have all the information to give you. But it does have our beauty resolutions here for our horoscope sign. I am a Pisces, and it says, embrace your uniqueness and let those quirks be cute. We have the bag here, and it is the silk drawstring bag, and it says Dream. Not a big fan of this one. It's more cutesy than pretty. I like the prettier bags. I am impressed with the quality of these drawstring bags. I do enjoy them. I have been using them. So first up, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Doucce Freematic Limited Edition Smoky Pearl Palette for $65. It says, from soft and hazy to full-blown drama, this palette is curated with 8 shades for every type of smoky eye. A mix of matte neutrals and high shine metallics are super pigmented, plus the highlighter is great on lids and cheekbones. This brand is cruelty-free. I am actually very impressed. I was very excited about this. It is a very neutral palette. You know, I'm sure going through all of my eyeshadows, I can easily dupe all of these colors myself already, but I have tried the Doucce formula in the past and I've been really impressed with it. And I'm also excited because these pans come out. And so if I were to ever want to just remove the shadows and use the palette on its own, I could certainly do that. And these colors, you know, I've been learning about myself. I've got a couple of palettes that are really colorful, very pretty, that are very exciting to look at, but the frequency in which I grab for those over my neutral palettes is just not as much. And so I've just been giving into my desire for neutral palettes. Every time that I'm drawn to a neutral palette, it's like,
but do I need another neutral eyeshadow palette? And
it's like, you know what?
Those are the ones that I use the most.
So I am, like I said, very excited for this eyeshadow palette, and the colors are very beautiful. I will insert swatches of the palette and the highlighter here so you can take a look for yourself, but I'm very excited for this. This is very fancy. So the highlighter is in the palette, and it comes out, of course, as do the eyeshadow singles, and then it's got a cover on it here so that if I, you know, so that the eyeshadow palette, I don't get powder into the highlighter and vice versa. So that's I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. This is fancy. And there's a giant mirror on the palette here. And this is pretty weighty, pretty heavy. It feels rich. Damn, it feels rich. The next item is the Cali C Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Scrub. This is 120 milliliters full size, and it's $21.95. It says skin need a pick-me-up. This coffee-infused gel cleanser removes makeup, deep cleans pores, exfoliates, and brightens. Funny story, ever since I've started filming my Ipsy unboxings for you, I've received a scrub. And I am not one to be interested in scrubs, especially for the face. And it just seems awfully suspicious that for the past, whatever, 3-4 months now that I've been filming my Ipsy unboxings, I've received a scrub. And I'm not crazy about it. Not picking up much of a scent, maybe a little hint of coffee, tiny, just a tiny, which is good. You know, I don't really want my face to be smelling like coffee. So upon feeling and sampling the product here, the granules don't feel super thick, so we'll see. Again, as I said in the past videos where I've gotten a scrub, that I'm rarely disappointed because I end up finding a use for it, whether I use it on my face or my body. It gets used up and I enjoy the product nonetheless. It's just, at this point, especially being 3 or 4 months in a row now that I've received a scrub, it's surprising, kind of disappointing, because I'd rather receive something else that I'm going to be excited about, you know? So we'll see. Maybe I'll go into my Ipsy profile and do a little bit of editing to see if I can get out of the scrub kick. Next up, I have a lip balm from Complex Culture. It is their Time Press Lip Balm. It is $12 for full size. I've been receiving a few products from Complex Culture, specifically a lot of brushes, which have been incredibly nice, by the way. But I recently heard, and I may not be correct on this, but I think I heard that the Complex Culture brand is Ipsy owned. It's just a collection of women creating makeup, and I think their mission is to create more simple products so that you can feel beautiful, look beautiful in less time, was what my understanding was upon reading about the brand. So this is super luxe. This packaging is very soft. It's magnetic. It says, your softest lips ever are one swipe away. This simple yet super effective balm treats parched pouts to the intense moisture they need with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and squalane. It says, mood boosting mint scent has an energizing effect that instantly ups your vibe. I forgot to mention the eyeshadow palette and the scrub were the 2 products that Ipsy chose for me, and so moving forward, the remaining 3 items are the items that I chose for myself out of the selection of products that they offered me. So this is one that I did choose for myself, and which is strange because I don't normally go for lip products, especially right now I'm not really using them. However, this looks so damn fancy, and upon receiving it, it does not disappoint. Not picking up a strong mint scent. Ooh, that's smooth. That, yeah. Did my vibe just go up? Did it? It feels higher. My vibe? Using it was incredibly enjoyable though, and it's very soft, it goes on very smooth. I am very excited about this. This feels super luscious, and I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, did you see this? This is magnetic. It's like a fancy ass lipstick, but it's a lip balm. I don't like lipstick, so I don't get to experience the luxe packaging that some lipsticks come in, but now I feel like I get to. I'm excited. Next up, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This is full size and it retails for $25. It says, true to its name, a few swipes of this volumizing mascara will give you legit brag-worthy lashes. It's made with flexible polymers. The creamy formula won't clump or flake. It is water resistant, so it won't budge or smudge. It says, apply 1 coat for separation and definition, apply 2 coats for length and thickness and 3 coats for extreme volume. So I am a stan for the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I feel a little guilty cheating on it, but I was curious. I do enjoy mascara. I'm kind of a, well, no, not kind of, I'm definitely a mascara snob, but something about this was just intriguing to me, especially the fact that it gave you brag-worthy lashes, so we'll see about that. The brush looks good. It is bristles, and it sort of reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex brush, just the way that it's shaped, so we shall see how it goes. I will keep you updated, so subscribe. And the last item that I chose for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus are the Firma Beauty Flat Oval Blending Brush and Round Blending Brush Duo. These retail for $27.98, and it says blend, blur, pack on the pigments like a pro with this versatile brush duo. These silky synthetic bristles pick up just the right amount of pigment for smooth and even application. I love brushes. I think I have got a major weakness for brushes because my collection has really grown thanks to Ipsy. I really like that I'm able to get really good quality brushes for, you know, not having to pay so much money. There's no way in heck that I could get myself to spend $27 on 2 brushes. So upon feeling them, they do feel very soft. I do appreciate, you know, they're easy to hold, they're cute. I think I'm gonna enjoy them. I don't see anything wrong with them at this point. So very excited. I love getting brushes. And I did want to show you the 2 add-ons that I purchased. I think moving forward, I do want to start sharing with you the add-ons and maybe the things that I purchased in the Ipsy pop-up sales, just because those are some of my favorite features that Ipsy offers to us. I get so many amazing deals, especially in the pop-up sales, the flash sales, they're incredible. So I do want to show you, I did pick up 2 products in the Ipsy add-ons. So the first one is the F.A.R.A.H Glam Sponge. It says it is 100% latex-free sponge, works to seamlessly blend foundation, cream blushes, and powders. It is normally $8, and I added this on for $3. I typically use brushes to apply my complexion products, but I like using a sponge at the end, a wet sponge, just to melt and blend everything together. I also like doing this little trick that I learned from Jaclyn Hill, actually, is putting a little bit of facial oil on your hand, doing a little dab, 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 and then dabbing it on the high points of your face to make you look dewy. I love that trick, it's great. I actually like using squalene oil for that because it's a little bit lighter. But this feels nice. It's actually really soft, really squishy. So I thought for $3, you know, I couldn't pass it up. That's a pretty good deal. And lastly, this is the one that I think there's been an error. Well, I know there's been an error. I was supposed to get the Vita-Bird C12 Vitamin C Dual Drop Serum. However, instead of the serum, they actually sent me the Daily C Balancing Foam Cleanser. Anyway, the add-on for this was $18. So it says it is formulated with a powerful proprietary blend of Vita-Bird CG. This daily facial cleanser activates in water to gently remove impurities and dead skin cells without stripping away the skin's moisture. Well, I've never seen this word before in my life. I'm gonna try. Metacasicide smooths and helps irritated skin look healthier. I'm just looking through the ingredients to see if there's anything notable worth mentioning. It does look like that it contains some moisturizing, soothing ingredients, which is great because I do have dry skin. It contains lactic acid, Centella aesthetica extract. So it looks like it's a good cleanser. So I don't know. I'm not entirely disappointed. You know, I like cleansers. Of all the skincare products that I could receive, I like receiving cleansers and moisturizers the most. However, I was very excited for the serum. I will probably reach out to Ipsy and just let them know what happened. I'm sure they'll correct it and send me the correct product, unless it was an issue where they were out of stock of the serum. That's happened before. That is the last item. I did add up the total of all of my Ipsy Glam Bag products. The 5 full-size products came to a total of $151.93. So all of those wonderful products for $25, I'm pretty satisfied. I think I'm most excited about the eyeshadow palette. I really do enjoy that brand, and this is such luxe packaging. This is so fancy. These colors are right up my alley. These look so rich. I just want to lick them. I won't. But Anyway, and the mascara. I'm excited to try the mascara. Oh, and the lip balm too. This is,
oh gosh.
I mean, are you kidding? I'm pretty satisfied with everything I got, needless to say. So let me know down below your thoughts. What item were you most interested in? And if you are an Ipsy subscriber, let me know what you received this month. Were you happy? Were you unhappy? Let me know. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. I hope that you hit that subscribe button so you can come back next time. And until next time, I hope you have the most wonderful day.